soil and climate change have a unique intertwined relationship. On one hand, soil can be affected by changing climate patterns, and on the other, soil plays a crucial role in influencing climate change. In today's video, we'll dive into how climate change impacts soil and how healthy soils can help combat climate change. Climate change, driven by rising global temperatures and shifting weather patterns, affects soil in several ways. Increased temperatures, changing precipitation patterns, and more frequent extreme weather events like droughts and floods can damage soil structure and degrade its quality. 1. Soil erosion. One of the most significant impacts of climate change on soil is soil erosion. Extreme weather events like heavy rains and strong winds can wash away the topsoil, which is rich in nutrients, leading to reduced soil fertility. 2. Soil moisture loss. Changing precipitation patterns also affect soil moisture. In some areas, prolonged periods of drought can cause soil to become dry and compact, making it harder for plants to grow and absorb nutrients. This reduces agricultural productivity. 3. Increased soil temperatures. Rising soil temperatures can alter soil structure, reducing its ability to retain water and support healthy plant growth. This can further exacerbate issues like drought and nutrient loss. Soil also plays an important role in combating climate change. Healthy soils act as carbon sinks, meaning they absorb and store carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping reduce greenhouse gases. 1. Carbon sequestration. Healthy, well-managed soil can absorb large amounts of carbon from the atmosphere and store it deep within the soil. This process, known as carbon sequestration, helps to mitigate the effects of climate change by reducing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. 2. Soil as a buffer. Soil can also act as a buffer against climate extremes. During droughts, healthy soil retains moisture, providing water to plants for longer periods. In contrast, in areas prone to flooding, soil with good structure and organic matter can absorb excess water, reducing the risk of erosion. Let's look at an example of how soil can help mitigate climate change. In India, a group of farmers has adopted regenerative agriculture practices that focus on improving soil health by using techniques like cover crops, minimal tillage, and composting. These practices help improve soil structure, increase water retention, and enhance carbon sequestration. After implementing these methods, the soil became more resilient to climate extremes, and farmers noticed an increase in crop yields while reducing their carbon footprint. This case highlights the power of soil in combating climate change. In conclusion, soil and climate change have a two-way relationship. Climate change can degrade soil quality, while healthy soils can help fight climate change by absorbing carbon and providing resilience to extreme weather events. By managing soil in a sustainable way, we can combat the negative impacts of climate change and create a more resilient agricultural system. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. How do you manage your soil to fight climate change? Share your thoughts in the comments.